They didn't believe in us. God did.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, everybody. It's Wednesday, October 4th. Man, I think this is the most I've been up on an eval before. I got 2 trades today, and they were both winners. And I decided to change my take profit from 6 points to 5 points, just because I haven't been seeing as many moves that were 6 points. So I wanted to caution myself a little bit and just play a little safer. So I'm gonna do 5 points for right now. So I got 2 good trades where I took profit on both of them. I didn't leave any runners for any of these trades. Just straight in with 4 contracts and just out with 4 contracts. So let's get into these trades. Here's SPY. We still have like 30 minutes left in the day, but I'm not gonna take any trades like the last 30 minutes of the day. Alrighty, so first one, a little early in the morning. Entered in right here on this pullback right here. So let me pull up this video right now. And also, I've decided I'm gonna start doing limit orders now. I mean, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, well, shit. I don't know what to say. But I'm doing limit orders now instead of just buying or like just buying in whenever I feel like the time is right. I mean, I like to get in on EMA, so I mean, that's going to stay the same. But I'm just going to instead trying to wait for a reaction as to if we're going to reject or bounce off of EMA. I'm just going to place a limit order at EMA. Because I mean, I'm getting in near EMA anyways, so I mean, I might as well take a limit order. So waited for a pullback for this one. See, I placed that limit order and I was tracking it right with the EMA. This one took a little bit, but entered me in. And then honestly, at first I thought about just leaving a runner, just because since I changed my take profit from 6 to 5 points. I thought I was gonna leave a runner, but I changed my mind later on. Only came up a little bit, maybe about a point or point and a quarter, so not too bad. But after that, just big candles down. Nice little 4-minute trade, I'm pretty sure. Like last second, I changed all 4 contracts just to my take profit at 5 points. And so broke through that level, literally only about a tick. Like you can see on NinjaTrader. Pull this up. Not right there. Right here. Oh, I mean, yeah, this is my take profit. I guess it went down like a point and a half after that. But then, so I mean, I could have left a runner. I might have gone stopped out right here, but I don't know. I'm not leaving a runner right now. I need to master my setup some more before I start leaving runners, because they kind of skew my risk reward. So I'm just gonna take them all off. So that was the first trade, up $92 or $93 after fees. So it's 100, and then after fees it's like $92, $93. So that was the first trade. Second trade was a little later. Let's see, it was right here. So I mean, here's the high day for pre-market. So I had this for a level drawn, and then we broke through it. So I was kind of looking to see if we can use it as support now. So let me pull up this video. So again, place a limit order, tracking it with the EMA, waited for pullback. This one took a little long as well, but honestly, like, you see this right here, like it went through it, but it didn't fill me in. I don't know why. So I moved it up just like a tick more. So I ended up getting in. Now, nice bounce off EMA right there on that candle. And just wait a little longer. Candle never closed below EMA, so it looked very nice. Started to come up about a few points, and then it made a lower high. So when that happens, I create a trend line just to wait to see if it's gonna break it. Because once it breaks, that's when I'm really confident. So right here is right when it broke. So I was really confident. I really like this trade now. So my take profit is at 5 points. And then just waiting for it to hit it.
Right there, come on. Little push through.
Got close, but it was just kind of sitting there. I thought about closing at it. Like you saw my cursor was on the close button. I almost thought about closing out at like 4.5 points, 4.25 or 3/4 points. But ended up hitting my 5 point. So that looked good. And I didn't want to leave a runner on that one either. I mean, I already stated the reason why, so I don't have to say it again. So, yeah, 2 good trades today, which is very nice. I did some back testing last night, so I'm glad to see that both of these trades actually worked out. So, you know, my confidence is up with this setup, so everything's looking good. Everything's looking good. We're slowly, I guess, coming back on the account. I don't want to say that yet, just because we had one good day. Doesn't mean we're really slowly coming back up, but yesterday I did have one trade and I was down, but I didn't make a video. Just frustrated, but now we're only down $160 on this account instead of like fucking 330. So looking good, looking good. I'm hoping I can stay strong the rest of this week. You know, Wednesdays I don't really get trades, so I'm glad I got 2 winners. Like even 2 winners in one day is rare, so I'm glad it happened.